Here is the most up-to-date, detailed overview of the U.S. Consulate General under construction in Echo Atlantic City, Lagos. Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today's video is about the Echo Atlantic U.S. Consulate construction that is ongoing. Please do well to subscribe to the channel as it's totally free of charge. Right behind me is the U.S. Consulate. As you can see, it's still under construction. So I'm coming here to make this video to show you guys. So this is how it looks though. I was reading something that was written at the wall, but it's obvious it's about the construction company. So this is how it looks now. Some of the project overview and significance that I would love you to know, or that you may need to know, is a little bit of the history, and that I will start with. A historic groundbreaking ceremony was held in April 2022, marking the start of construction on a new modern U.S. Consulate General campus located on a 12.2 acre site within Echo Atlantic City, Lagos' ambitious coastal smart city project. Just the premises, and this is the entrance. After it will be completed, this will be used as the entrance. So this is it. The project is scheduled for completion in 2027, spanning approximately 5 years, with a project budget of US $537 million. It is expected to be the largest US consulate globally and a major diplomatic investment in Africa. Now, let's move on to the design and architect. Please, before then, do well to subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Now, the design and architect. It was actually designed by Benard Architect LLP, New York. The contractor which design and who are also part of the building are Penix Federal LLC, Lombard, Illinois. Architect of record EYP Incorporation, Albany, New York. The campus features a 10th-floor office tower with tier-grid facade inspired by Nigerian craft tradition, designed for resilient and energy efficient. Size and the facilities. Gross building size roughly 300,000 feet square, about 14,685 square meters of chancery and support facilities. Planned facilities include consular interview and waiting areas, office spaces, cafeteria and multipurpose rooms, recreational facilities, on-site shops, warehouse, utility building, covered garage, entrance pavilions, boat dock, pedestrian bridge, and a full integrated diplomatic campus. So at this US consulate, there are a lot of construction going on. So and there's camera all over. It is the only building where there's camera installed, even though the construction is not even 50% done. There are cameras everywhere, and on the wall you could see different, syringe, as in a lot of things were prohibited around the vicinity. So I'm sorry I can't turn the camera any further than this to show you what it looks like. So, but this is how it looks. There are cameras everywhere. There are restrictions, danger warning, and co. So I just hope you bear with me. But this is Echo Atlantic. This is the US Consulate, and this is how it looks. This is the premises. This is the premises. So I hope we are on the same page. So let's continue. The exterior is thoughtfully landscaped to reflect Lagos Lagoon environmental, promoting comfortable microclimate and visible stormwater management features. The project targets LEED Silver certification, signaling sustainable architecture and high efficiency design. Economic and workforce impact. The construction will inject around $95 million into the Nigerian economy through local contracts and material purchases. It is expected to employ roughly 2,500 Nigerian professionals over 5 years, including engineers, architects, artisans, construction workers, and admin staff, who will benefit from skills transfer and safety trainings. Political and symbolic context. The groundbreaking ceremony featured key figures: Lagos State Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu, U.S. Ambassador Mary Beth Leonard, and Consul General Claire Perengelo. Officials emphasized that the consulate symbolizes the strong U.S.-Nigerian bilateral relationship and highlights Lagos' growing global importance in commerce, climate resilience, and governance. Now, the strategic importance. This consulate becomes a flagship diplomatic infrastructure for the US in Africa, serving over 200,000 annual visa applicants and hosting critical commercial and diplomatic services. It's located in the Eco-Atlantic, aligns with Nigeria's push for modern, sustainable urban infrastructure, including flood protection and private plan city planning standard. The building architecture and environmental design reflect local culture, ecological sensitivity, and global best practices in resilience. This is all for now that I have been able to find and also discover properly to make sure this is a very good informative video that you will love. So the location, it is located on a 12.2 acres Eco-Atlantic City, Victoria Island, Lagos. The budget is 537 million US dollar. It had its groundbreaking April 2022 and the completion should be by 2027. Total size 14,685 square meter. It has total of 10 floors